My name is Curt. I work at Los Alamos National Laboratory. I'm a reliability engineer there, working in a pretty large area, multiple divisions. And my experience with iBL has been to grow as a reliability engineer. I think equipment maintenance plans and how to implement that, and the whole idea of planning maintenance based on risk-based assessment of equipment. That link between those two, I think, was really helpful in the iBL program. So the project base is always important because you proved yourself that you can implement something through the fact that you're applying the tools and actually seeing them through, and know that you have a template for how you would do things maybe. My responsibilities and my job as an engineer are right in line with what my project was requiring me to do. So I did them conjointly, and it was part of my job actually, and it just gave me an additional thing I could do and receive and grow into while I was doing my actual job, and it actually made me do my job better.